Here's another Otis 2000H hydraulic lift at Northgate station. More Dewhurst US 85. Cavity. It's got the grandma voice. Red Otilec indicator. If you're not, that is for OT1 chime. If you've not heard that, it's actually really quiet. It's quiet, but you can't even hear it. Here comes Shorncliffe train, NGR 713. We'll go back up to level 2. Now with the stop button, emergency phone and LOP, it's Dewhurst US 90-15, but the main buttons here are Dewhurst US 85, which is really rare in Australia. They're actually common in the UK, so that's cool. We'll end the video on level 1. It's being maintained by Otis with a cone plate on top. There goes NGR 713, all stations through Shorncliffe. There it goes. That's it.